Hey guys! Welcome to our channel again.
Journey with the Jacksons.
Okay, so today we have some Jamaican pastries which we're about to try and give you guys some feedback. So we have a wide variety of pastries, Jamaican pastries.
Delectables. Easy word.
Delectables.
Delectables.
So we're going to delect them. We're going to delect them. Okay. So let's delect.
Alright, so before we really go into that though, thank you guys so much for tuning into our channel again.
Yes.
And for helping us go, for helping us having over 300 subscribers. Woo!
Yeah, and growing.
Yes, thank you guys. We are looking forward to growing and having fun with you guys and hearing from you in the comment section below. Also, please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave us a shout out in the comment section. Right? So here's one ingredient that seems to be common in most of them.
Coconut.
Yeah, coconut.
Flour.
And
A lot of flour.
and a lot of, yeah.
Binding agent.
Right. So definitely, and the sugar.
Yeah.
Sugar is at, yeah.
Sugar.
So guys, let's hit the road. A lot of these things are baked.
Okay.
You show them?
Otherwise called drops.
Drops.
You don't call that coconut cake.
Sugar and coconut together.
Yeah.
And it is best had on a almond leaf. Well hot.
Almond leaf?
Yeah.
Yes.
Really almond leaf?
And the
Banana leaf?
Banana leaf.
Almond leaf, leaf it pan that.
Oh yeah, you can go for almond leaf too.
Almond of leaf though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
of course.
Almond leaf.
No, without that. Almond leaf.
Well, yeah, we call it
Drops.
Coconut drops.
coconut drops, yeah. And and it's made from sugar, coconut. So what they do is that they use dry coconut, cut it into cubes. This is a small one, guys. Usually they vary in size, and what they do is that they boil the sugar and the coconut together until the sugar becomes gummy. Or thickens, let's say, until the sugar thickens, and then they use the banana leaf to put these on to drop like a spoonful.
To cool.
Yes, to cool, and then it forms this.
Okay.
So the first one we'll be trying is this one. Oftentimes also one of the ingredients sometimes is ginger, because Jamaicans love hot and spicy stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, so let us take communion. Run it. We just break it.
Break bread.
Breaking it.
Oh my gosh. This can share people that was
All right.
Sorry.
All right. So this is what. Try. You can show them a bit of it up close. All right. So that's it. All right. So
Okay.
let's try and see different review. We're very much familiar with this one.
Yeah.
All right. So very sugary. Very sugary.
Not getting any ginger taste in it though.
A little.
It's alright.
Hmm?
It's alright.
I like it.
This does not have a lot of sugar, Shauna.
Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of sugar.
I'm tasting mainly coconut.
Tasting ginger. Slight. Very, very slight.
Yeah. So it tastes good. Very coconutty.
It's hard.
It's not sweet.
Soft.
It is not very sweet. It's nice.
It's very nice.
Okay.
How hard sweet though?
Very too much sweet is not good.
I agree.
The taste like the taste of the coconut really depends on how sweet the coconut cake is. Depends on the person who makes it
Yes.
and the amount of sugar that they actually put into the mix.
Okay.
Alright. Next.
Next is this one, Joshua.
The gizzard. So this is also made from coconut shreddings. So it's grated coconut
With a dough.
yeah, with a dough.
That is used. So a lot of people back then when my grandma used to make this, I didn't see her use like a cookie. We call it a little cookie cutter thing. She just simply used a cup and just stirred it over on the flour that was rolled, the dough that was rolled, and just a bam. Press it, took out the round piece of a dough,
And then pinch it.
and then pinch the edges.
Yeah.
And so that
get-
is how you actually get this. So what they would do is just pinch the edge, pinch. Then it is placed in a pot, and it bakes until. So the inner part is made of sugar and also coconut shredded this time. And sometimes people oftentimes put food coloring in here.
Yeah.
But this is just the genuine sugar and coconut. This is the color it looks like after baking. All right, let's try. All right, so it's now tasting time.
Gizzard.
Like it already.
Hold on. There's a very much unusual taste in this one. Like it though, you know?
Cinnamon.
Oh my gosh.
Now, this is nice.
I think there's cinnamon present in this. This is not one of my favorite pastries because I just don't know. I'm not a big fan of coconut stuff.
Yeah, I am.
But the cinnamon
And
taste
this
in
is
this.
very nice.
This is nice to me. I
Yeah,
like it.
I could eat this all day.
And the flour, the dough, is not too salty because I know that they actually put salt in the dough to just give it a little taste. Not too salty, it's just right, and it's not hard,
Yeah.
not too crispy, it's just soft. Really good dough.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. This is good. Yeah. That's a basket of the taste.
Alright, so we move on to pastry number 3.
Okay.
This is one, that one resembles a cookie. It's called police button. What other names do you know it as?
That's the only thing I know.
No man, there's another name. I remember it right now.
Yeah, we can't recall the other, but
If they know, they can always.
Yeah.
if you have another name for this,
Just type it in the comment section below.
yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh.
It's hard. This one is tough.
Very hard.
Mhm.
Perfect snack. Yes.
Oh
Yes,
my
good.
gosh.
It tastes good. It's a bit hard.
It's not sweet.
Mm.
It's crunchy.
Yeah, very crunchy.
Crunchy.
Nice.
Yeah, this is good. It's not too sweet. It's not. It doesn't taste like something somebody with diabetes should be eating. Yeah, it's nice.
Just takes a little effort, but that's okay.
Yeah. Police button. I can't remember that. And
When I was small, used to buy them for $1.50.
What?
It was very good back then.
How old are you?
I'm very old. I'm up there.
Alright. Next is the what is his name again?
Jackass corn.
Jackass corn.
Jack first corn.
It's also called the donkey corn or ass corn.
Yeah. But growing up, they were. This is this color that they have. This is not the color I'm used to them having. They were golden brown. Them time.
Usually this was everlastingly hard to break,
Yeah.
but this one is not. This is good consistency.
I think it's called Jackass corn because of the density. Okay, it is called Jackass corn because it is very hard. It is tough. Alright, let's go. Mm.
The jackass, a very hardy animal. Those are the ones that you use for farming. That's what we call the mules. Yeah.
The rough stuff.
I'm not enjoying this.
It's also good for babies who are teeth. Very, very good.
I agree.
Rub the gums, and it's also sweet, so it keeps them quiet.
I mean, look, listen, back in the day, it was not like this. You couldn't go through it so easy, for one. And with two, the positive side of the color.
Is it tough?
Yes!
Mm-hmm.
Tough! And it golden brown them time there.
Next up Everybody clear them out.
Yes, yes.
Alright, this is the gizzarda.
No.
That's the greater
No,
cake.
Oh, we not cut this out.
Alright, so we now cut this out. Cause Shana editing.
Oh God, it's funny.
Alright, this one is the greater cake.
And we also call it pink on top.
Really?
Yeah.
Pink on top. That's the first time I'm hearing that name. Very interesting name.
What is that made from?
This is made from coconut also. Pink on top, white on bottom.
So with the greater cake, this is made of straight coconut and sugar. So it's just, I mean, the ingredients that is the things that are used to make the top of the gizzarda, or the filling for the gizzarda rather, is what is used to make this pastry, greater cake, this little cake. Let's go. Sugary.
A lot of sugar.
Oh my god.
This is actually food coloring. Not my favorite.
Just
Very-
make
very
this.
sweet.
You know the native coconut taste? It tastes like taste, right? You know what I'm talking
Yeah.
And the raw coconut oil.
about. You can taste it.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
A long time I didn't taste it like this.
I think this one should be had with some water.
It's not suited for persons with diabetes.
This is really extremely sweet.
But it's good. It's a soft.
I like it.
Yes, and
Like it?
because she likes sweet things. So yeah, she like it. She likes sweet things.
That's my number one so far.
Next up is the peanut cake
Or peanut drops.
or peanut drop. So it's made from peanut and sugar, and in some cases ginger. So I think this one can be placed on the banana leaves also.
Yeah, it's made similar to the coconut drops,
Coconut drop.
that we had before. And before we place it on the banana leaves, you run it over fire.
see the sugar between peanuts, binding them together. Perfect
Yeah.
combination.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah.
Not very sweet.
Peanuts.
This is nice.
Yeah, very peanutty. Anybody has ever had almond drops?
Yeah.
Where it's made similar.
Similar. So yeah.
So the peanut cake, almond drops, and coconut cake are made in similar fashion.
And ingredients indeed.
Yeah.
What else do we have? Are we going with this one?
So next up is the blue jars,
Also
called dukuno.
also
Let's get into this one.
Wow.
So I'm definitely seeing the cornmeal.
Some persons put raisins in it.
Oh,
Yeah.
it smells very good. I'm
Oh, there's the
getting
raisins, Judy.
I'm getting a very strong aroma coming from it. It's almost like vanilla, like I'm smelling some vanilla.
I've never eaten it before, so this is going to be good.
Right.
Like, look.
This up it. Yes.
Please tell because it's boiled, so doesn't have that look.
Alright, ready, set, go. This one is not the best one I've ever had.
Oh.
It's a bit fresh.
This is perfect.
No.
Try is loving it.
Perfect. Not too sweet. Not too much of anything, just as its own little, taste.
This one has in cornmeal, raisin, coconut powder can be used, flour,
Vanilla.
yeah,
Vanilla is in it as well.
Yeah,
Right,
the
and it-
coconut trash is in it too. In
Yeah.
This one at least.
This one has coconut in it.
And it's usually baked or boiled.
Nutmeg is in it.
And nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Yeah.
It's Jamaican spice, nutmeg, pudding porridge.
Yeah.
I don't like this one.
I mean, persons who make it, you get different variations from different persons. So this is something different. An acquired taste.
It's very nice. Very, very nice.
But the flavor, it's really nice.
It's a no for me.
No. Monique is not having this one at all. Alright, next is the tamarind ball. So so tamarind is basically a fruit. It grows on the tree. It has some seeds in it, like a shell, and the fruit is inside the shell. So this is usually made from the fruit inside the shell. Yeah, bonded with sugar.
Sugar. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's rolled into a ball.
Roll it in balls.
Me that's it so now, but
It's like liquor.
One for you.
Thanks. Tamarind.
You right my way. You baby.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love tamarind.
Yeah.
It has a sweet and sour taste at the same time. Ready?
It's uncomfortable but nice. Yes.
Yeah, this is tamarind.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
and then when it hit your eye, so
Yes.
This is what I remember.
every time you do this, and it creeps your eye, so
Good.
And this is usually what is left.
Oh, Daniel, what cry? Spit it out.
like it.
It's not my fave.
But it's
But-
okay.
Yeah. It's nice. You like sweet and tangy. Really good.
Alright, next up is the Asha. Asha. So the ingredients is parched corn, grounded with sugar and spice.
This is how it looks.
That is something that you just pour into your hands and use your tongue to lick. I've heard some person say that they have mixed it.
No, I've never had this
I think
before.
we're putting our hand in.
Sure.
So try it. You have never tried this before.
Yes, I've actually tried it before.
Okay.
It was way back though, way back.
Oh, yeah.
From the 5th grade, that's the last time I saw it. I didn't know it was still in production, but I'm glad.
And don't eat a lot because it can choke you.
Have a glass of water.
I only
just
hear
in
about
case.
this. I only hear about this. Never eat it before.
Alright, ready?
Right? Asham.
Really?
It's like burnt sugar, like there's a burnt sugar taste.
It's not
Is that
burnt
burnt
sugar.
popcorn?
Burnt popcorn. Like a burnt popcorn taste.
There's a little corn parched with sugar.
It's been a long time.
Mhm. I like it. I can see myself snacking on it.
Yes.
Snacking on it for a while, you know.
Some water,
So,
of course.
next we are going to try the nutmegs.
Who is going to try that? So we are going to show you the nutmeg.
Okay.
And it is one of the spices that we use in some of our foods, so like cornmeal porridge, for example. Just to give it a nice flavor. As we said before, it's also in the blue jaws or dukono or Thai leaf. We also put it in different
Pastries.
Right up to
pastries,
it, something here. Okay.
but it really gives a nice flavor.
There's a nice aroma as well.
Yeah.
Very strong. You can even grate
Oh,
the
okay.
outside
Remember the
in the
starter.
porridge as well, along with the nut that is inside the shell.
Yeah. Right, so next we're gonna try staggerback. This is also called Basta backbone.
Starter box.
Yeah,
Or
it's
just called Basta.
Basta. Some persons call it Basta.
Not one of my favorites.
Alright, you can put it up close to that, please.
I'm gonna pull it though.
Thank you.
So
Where's mine?
this is famously known for coming in a white paper. It's almost like it has like a caramel taste. It's like burnt sugar. What are the other ingredients, guys?
Coconut.
Coconut. Yeah, it's very hard. It's usually very hard.
Very hard.
Yes, I think that's why they call it Basta backbone. I don't know why. It's very gummy.
No, it's not so bad. Oh.
But I was kind of afraid because back in the day it just never worked out.
Is it a paper?
It's really.
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
What? There's another one here. Watch this. You gotta bite it off.
I know it's a messy paper.
That's why I never like that something. It's always tricky to eat.
But this one is not hard one bit though.
And this one is not hard, just very gummy.
But you
Yeah.
never used to put ginger in it. Like it harsher than this.
Yeah, it's so harsher.
So I never really like
This
it.
is pretty much unused to it though.
Really?
Mhm.
I can remember it being very tough. So when you bite into it,
And the ginger in it just sit down.
That's why they call
Sit
it
right down.
Basta. Basta gum.
No, this is different.
Kinda like it.
Last but not least, we
Can I
have
eat for it? Can I eat?
chocolate.
we can show them them.
Like real cocoa plant. It's
Yeah.
extracted from it and then created. So you use this to make your Sunday tea, or and the good thing about it, it's very oily, and old time people say it's just good for your back,
Oh my gosh.
What does that mean, Troy?
Yeah.
strengthens you, upright walking and all that, good posture.
Very diplomatic. Alright, so yeah guys, so individual feedbacks. You try.
Well, it was good. Surely revisited my childhood. Was very nice. Most of the things here we eat, most times because of snacking, and it was all around pretty good. There's a lot to have here, and I just wish we had some porridge, preferably some American to grate some of this in. Would be great.
Oh. I your time, boy.
But
I your favorite.
to be honest, I'm a bit disappointed. Yeah, because most of the stuff that I'm familiar with is not the same taste they had then versus now. But I do have a favorite. I have to go with the peanut cake. For this one.
Okay. Alright, so a lot of these products, it has been a long while since I've actually had several of them. It was since I was a child that I had many of them. So having these, they're bringing back some memory to me. My favorite was the gizzarda and the tamarind ball. Yeah.
This the most?
The peanut drops, the coconut drops,
The
the
gizzarda.
gizzarda, the grater cake. Those are my favorites.
Okay, but I love the Starbucks and this one here. Police book.
Oh, and the starter too. The Basta.
Basta. Okay guys, so these products were actually the branding on most of them is Uncle Nehe. Uncle Nehe Bush Alternative, captivators of exotic Jamaican products. So they are actually products of my friend called Jason Garden. Yeah. So we'll be putting we'll be putting a picture of his card right down below, and his contact information, just in case anybody would like to order these stuff, because he does large scale distribution of them. So that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in.
And when you're going to foreign, you can order some too.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Watch it too.
Watch it too.
You're foreign.
Fine. Anyway, foreign to you is
Foreign.
straight up. Alright, so thank you guys for tuning in to
Journey with the Jacksons.
I see you.